everyone, it's Robin and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make something with a Post Malone inspired theme. So we're going to try to recreate his iconic style in a cake. So stay tuned for what's next and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to cover my cake board. And I have a black and white checker pattern planned for that. So let's just get that started. Alright, so we got that part done. So we're going to take this and we're going to go put it in the food dehydrator because that'll harden it up for us. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pipe and bag and we're going to use that to fill our layers. And then we're going to do our crumb coat and then get that into the fridge to chill for a bit. Alright, well that's chilling. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start making some decorations. So for the first one, I decided I'm going to make some flaming dice and we're going to make this stand on top of the cake. So once we make it, we're going to get it into the food dehydrator and we'll get it firmed up nice and hard so it'll stand up for us. Alright, well that's firming up. We're going to go ahead and make some more dice for decorating the outside of the cake. And then I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to make the main decoration for the front of the cake. And that's going to be a black and white silhouette of Post Malone's face. now he's all done. I think he looks pretty good. Next, we're going to do the rest of the decorations. We're going to do some little silhouette women and the birthday girl's name and some initials for the back side of the cake. Alright, now that we're done most of our decorations, all we have left to do is our final coat of icing, and then we can put all of our decorations on the cake. Alright, so before we put all the decorations on, we have one last thing to do. We have to put our cake on our cake board, so this should be interesting. Then we'll see how that looks and we'll go from there. Now my buttercream is still pretty sticky, but I want to make sure he's good and sticky too, because I don't want him to fall off. Now my buttercream is still pretty sticky, but I want to make sure he's really sticky so he doesn't fall off. Alright. There, it looks good. Now next I'm going to start putting on the dice, and then we're going to put some little black flames in behind them, and then we're also going to fill in all the spaces with some gray smoke. Well, here it is, my Post Malone themed cake. I had so much fun making this one. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.